invest in yourself. Guys, investment in ourselves, it is really a part of growing. It's a part of self-development. It's a part of personal development. Minsan, hindi lahat ng investment, it's all about the outside. It's not all about the money, the outside na makikita mo. Sometimes, the better investment, the right investment that we need is investing in ourselves. Ano yung mga dapat mong gawin? You have to learn. You have to surround yourself with successful people. Yung mga experienced people. Alam nyo guys, may mga successful na mga tao na hindi nila kailangan ng kapalit. Hindi nila kailangan ng pera o anuman. Kung mayroong mga tao na lalapit sa kanila na gusto magpaturo, happy yan sila. They will be happy to share, to guide you, to help you, how to start. Kasi alam nila kung gaano kahirap magsimula. Yung nangangapa ka pa. So, nandoon sila to guide us, to guide you para ma-achieve yung gusto mo, kagaya nila. Dahil ang pagtulong sa kapwa ay isa yun na blessing kayang gawin ng mga tao na marami na silang na-achieve, yung marami na silang, yung nagiging successful na sila. They are ready to help you. Dahil yun ang roles nila sa mundo, to inspire other people. Maraming paraan, like buying books kung ikaw ay gusto mo na mag-solo ka for learning, like alone time. So, magbasa, makinig ng mga audiobooks or mga song na yung mga song na nakapapag-refresh. You can write. Pwede mo usulat yung mga gusto mo, yung mga at least one sentence. It's enough talaga. Kasi ako guys, I love writing talaga. Napapansin ko, when I was in 2009, yun yung time na nagsisimula talaga ako magsulat. But when I was in college talaga, dati nakatatak na sa mindset ko na gusto kong magsulat ng ang poet talaga. Kasi parang ang ganda lagi ng message. Pero iba yung nagawa ko. Pero susulat pa rin ako noon, makakabuo pa rin ako. One day makakabuo pa rin ako. At least I published my book na last year, 2021. So, kung gusto niyo mag-purchase, available yan sa Amazon. And by the way, if you are interested to learn about financial planning, if you want to secure your family future, if you want to achieve your dreams, you can follow GA Academy. Sila ay nagtuturo about financial planning. Free lang, free. So, wag kayong mahiya na mag-reach out. At nandoon din ako. I am willing to help, guys. Hindi ako dalo. So, of course, tanggapin nyo na ang tulong ko to be part of your life na turuan kayo kahit walang bayad. Okay? So, ayan. Patuloy tayo about investing in yourself. So, again, investing in yourself is like prioritize yourself, prioritize what you want to do, prioritize the peace, the kindness, gratitude. Diba? Ayan yung part. How to invest in yourself. Always see the good things in you. Dahil kung maganda yung ini-invest natin sa sarili natin, magiging maganda rin yung impact natin sa ibang tao, sa ating environment, sa ating family, sa friends, Kasi guys, bihira lang yung mga tao na gumagawa ng ganun. Kaya dapat isa ka sa ganung tao.